On today's video, we talk about a new law that's going to make it worse for the housing market. What's going on, everyone? Adam Source here, Top Real Estate. If this is your first time to my channel, every single day I drop a video about real estate. So if you're into real estate, make sure you hit that subscribe button. On today's video, we're talking about a new bill that's trying to be passed by Chris Ward, a Democrat down in San Diego, called Bill 1771. And basically what that will be is it will try to stop people from flipping homes, kind of. It's talking about adding a 25% tax on the gains if you bought and sold a home in 3 years, which is crazy to think because they're basically, when you hold a property for at least 2 years, then with the profits you make, you don't have to pay capital gains on that money unless you're over $250,000 for a single, $500,000 for married. So now, if you bought a house and then you're living in, and all of a sudden, this happens to our clients all the time, have a job change in 2.5 years, you're gonna be hit, if you make profit on that, you're gonna hit with the 25% tax on your net gains, which is insane. And so what's so funny is they're trying to stop people from buying a house, flipping them, and making a huge profit because they're saying that investors are buying up all the properties and then that's why people can't buy homes. Remember, guys, we talked about this last week. If a home is being bought and flipped, 99.9% of the time, that house cannot be financed. So the only person that can buy it is someone that can come in, pay cash for it, fix it, and then make it an actual house for someone to live in. Yes, are they gonna make a profit? Of course. That's part of the business. Are they taking all the risk? Yes, because if they buy that house and then something crazy happens in the market while they're fixing it, like we just bought a house right now, it's gonna take us 5 months to fix. Inside those 5 months, if the economy crashes, we lose all our money. So we are taking a risk, so we should make a profit. It's just business. So first off, will that stop people from investing in flipping homes? I don't think it should be 3 years if they're trying to add the tax on people, because a lot of people who are not investors and then not flippers buy houses and then things change and they sell them. So you're gonna tax a family just because they got a job transfer? That's number one. Number two, what it's really gonna stop is people buying houses, fixing them, and then they're just gonna refi, take the equity out that they made, their profits, and then just rent it. So it's actually gonna hurt the housing market because they're not gonna wanna put that house on the market, because if they refi and you take money out of your property, that's not capital gains. You're not getting taxed on that money. All it's gonna do is force people to buy houses, fix them, rent them, and never put them on the market. So I honestly think this solution's actually gonna make it worse from homeowners in California, because investors are not gonna fix and flip, they're just gonna fix and rent so they can make their profits. And then the other thing is, if they are gonna fix and flips, they're just gonna start calculating the 25%. So they're actually just gonna raise prices more, or whoever they buy the house from, they're gonna buy it less. They're not gonna be the ones taking a hit. So you wanna fix housing, make it easier for developers to develop, make land cheaper, make permitting quicker, make it faster for them to build, because the longer the city takes to get all the permits done, because we're dealing with right now on our new build projects, we're just sitting on land that we can't develop until the city gets us our permits. California or anywhere, you wanna make it easier on housing, stop trying to tax investors, try to make it easier for them to build faster so they can save money and be able to get more houses on the market so we can handle the supply problem. And the crazy thing is, they're trying to do all these things, taxing this, taxing that. We're in the crazy housing market of all time. When this market calms down, they're not gonna get rid of that tax. Taxes never go away. Even though they said in here that they might go down, it's not going away. So just be prepared. This is something that's not gonna fix the housing market. It's just more ways for the government to get more money. The way to fix the housing market is figure out more ways to get more housing on the market by developing, building, changing zoning. Those are the things we need to be focusing on. So hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you got some information. Comment below, share, like, and until next time, peace.